cluster is an industry-led and member-based not-for-profit organisation that has come together primarily for the purposes of supporting sustainable development in the region's very important agri-food sector. So the food cluster has a number of projects on the go around creating new commercial opportunities and opportunities to drive productivity and efficiency gains through our organisations. So this specific project, our traineeship program, is what we believe quite an innovative approach whereby industry is collaborating with a number of stakeholders in order to achieve win-wins, both for business as well as potentially for our young people. Obviously they relate particularly to farm activities, agronomy, horticulture, to production. We can look beyond that and actually see things like process engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, quality assurance, which is so important to our sector, new product development, research and development. And in addition, there's also the emerging opportunities around jobs that weren't even in existence a number of years ago, such as carbon accounting and carbon trading.
Well, we get put into our places at our companies, and then we get given a mentor or someone to look after us and teach us how everything's done, and they always do their homework and try and find as much of it for us to do as they can.
After we finish the course, we can go into the diploma. There's 2 diplomas we can do here at East Gippsland Tafe. Maintenance at the moment's been pretty fun. Every week we're doing something different. Probably the research side of the food place, R&D places, stuff, making all the new products and that. Yeah, at the end of the training we will hopefully, one of the businesses or a couple maybe even offer us some jobs.
While I was undertaking the traineeship, I got to experience maintenance, which I've come to really enjoy.
Essentially, the project has really focused on the principles of collaboration by being able to rotate the trainees across a number of businesses. But that collaboration has also extended across a number of external partners, and this project wouldn't have been successful without them.
The Gippsland Eastland's role in this was to broker a partnership between the industry, being the food cluster, the employment agency, which happens to be Link Employment, and Advanced Tafe, who are delivering the training. There is no funding as such, other than the government funding that traineeships seek. The employers actually pay the trainees. It's just well supported by all of the members of the cluster.
My role here is to offer the training for the students, give them a little bit of mentoring, training in workplace information, occupational health and safety, food safety and quality, environmental sustainability, and then you have your job-specific units, which include HACCP, controlling contamination, operating production or packaging equipment, 5 core units and 12 job-specific or elective units. And they've got a tailored training package to their interest.
The traineeship program has been about providing an opportunity for a group of young people to spend 12 months with our cluster businesses, and during that time have the opportunity to experience a diverse range of businesses from paddock to plate and a diverse range of career and job opportunities within them.
We're looking for people that actually show a keen interest in the food processing sector and want to make a career out of it. That's a matter of trying to identify those different individuals who do have that passion, I suppose, for food and the food sector. Key outcomes is our core business is a group training model, which is basically employing apprentices and trainees. The organisation is a not-for-profit organisation, which is a community organisation, and it's committed to delivering employment opportunities and training opportunities for youth in the Gippsland region. The key aim is to change the perception of the trainees and their peers so they do have aspirations to move into that industry and stay in it and hopefully become management level or at least supervisory level.
My role with the trainees involves coaching the trainees, to making them good employers, teaching them a good work ethic, and also future employment, trying to get the trainees to identify the career pathway that they are interested in from this experience and how we can get them there.
I knew that I wanted to be in the food industry. I was just really interested in seeing what different areas there were. I really enjoy the QA, the quality assurance sort of area. I know that I want to go into further study after the traineeship and hopefully get a job from there.
They get to look at our process from beginning to end. So they plant seedlings, they look at the watering aspect of that and the feeding, the fertilising part of that. They're there for harvest, and then when we come back and bring the product back into the shed, when it goes into a wash bath or gets packed off on a line ready for market, they get to experience that the whole way through. It's great to have young people come out, experience what happens out here on the farm from a day-to-day basis. There's apprenticeships on the table here in this business, so there's opportunity for people to go forward and get a career out of it.
Yeah, I'm starting at the beginning, learning the entire process of the product as it comes out of the paddock and goes into the factory for processing, then on the trucks to go to the consumers.
The Certificate 3 qualification, combined with the experience that our trainees will have had over this year, is going to provide a really important foundation for them to move forward, either in terms of studying further qualifications and or the future job roles that they may wish to pursue. They're probably not ready to go out and be CEOs or production managers at this point in time, but they're really on the pathway if that's where they want to go.